The stability of that ramp, the grip that it has when they're walking on it, I feel so comfortable with it. I can't thank National Ramp enough.
The cement steps were very difficult for my father-in-law because of his declining mobility. We didn't like him climbing the steps by himself. Someone always had to be here with him.
But again, my advice to anyone, don't wait till the last minute till you become desperate.
This ramp was put in for my husband. Until the ramp was put in, we had no hope of bringing him home from the hospital. Now he'll be able to come home after 2 months and enjoy sitting in his favorite chair on the front porch.
This is going to make my life much easier because she goes to a lot of doctor's appointments, and we don't have to worry about lifting her up and taking her out and in and out the car now, and her hurting every time we touch her.
I absolutely love the grip on that ramp because the ice and snow doesn't build up on the ramp, so I can take my husband out in any kind of weather. It's not slippery.
It's a beautiful design. The craftsmanship is unbelievable. I used to be a welder. This manufacturer is one of the best ramp systems I've ever seen.
Thank you, National Ramp, for giving my father-in-law the freedom that he deserves.
For giving my wife her freedom now.
Thank you, National Ramps, for giving me my freedom back.
Thanks, National Ramp, for giving my husband his freedom back.
Thank you, National Ramp. We should have done this years ago.
Thank you again, National Ramp.